To manage your authors and author bios from your dashboard, you can click on the Manage Authors tab, which will display a list of all the authors we currently have on file. They are organized by first name alphabetically. Very long list, getting longer every issue. From this interface, we can edit an existing author just by clicking on the Edit button. And that will load up the author's name and bio information stored in the chunk code field. You can edit this information as you see fit and save the bio. Doing so will alter this information for every instance of this author across the website. Now, let's say we want to create a new author. We'll return to the dashboard, go back to Manage Authors, and click the Add Author Bio link. And we'll need to enter the author's name and their bio information. And we'll save this. And then we'll return to our dashboard. This completes the first step of adding a new author. The second will be we got to return to Manage Authors, and you'll see the problem here. We're missing an image. Now, to upload an image, we need to keep a couple things in mind. First of all, your author images need to be 120 pixels square, and that is very precise measurement and has to be maintained. The other is that the file name needs to match exactly the name of the author with spaces replaced with dashes. And I'll show you a specific example of that here. Now, to get to the upload interface from this location is a little bit different. You're going to notice over here on the left there's this little gray arrow on the left hand side of your screen. You need to locate that and click it. And this will expand your resources tree and present you with your Files tab. The Files tab contains a folder called Common, and inside of there is an Images folder, and inside of Images is your Authors directory. You'll want to right-click on Authors and click Upload Files. This will produce the modal box that you're probably familiar with from your news stories. And we're going to click on the Add button. Now, I've already prepared a 120 by 120 image, and I have named it, let me just slide this over, a:/sample-author.jpg. You'll see it matches this name exactly, capital letters included, and it is a JPEG file. We're going to add that to our queue and upload it. And then we'll close this. Now, if I were to go back to my dashboard or reload your browser window, either one accomplishes basically the same thing, and go back to Manage Authors, you'll see there's our new author with his pick and place. Now, to use an author, all you got to do is be in a story, whether you're editing one or creating one. In this case, we're going to edit a story. And go to your Custom Content and Display Settings tab, and under Page Details, in the Author field, type in the new author's name. And there you see, he's already there. Saving this file at this point would locate this new author's information in the author position within the story. So that's managing authors. If you have any questions or problems, let me know.